Hello, thank you for watching this video. Chances are you are watching this video because you are looking for a guaranteed way to make money online. Tap Money Community Matic today is the easiest and most effective way to earn residual income and be able to pass that income on to your children. You are now on the home page. In the bottom block you will find video instructions in different languages on how to activate the smart contract from your computer and phone. This is the registration block. It shows the number of activated IDs in the system at the moment. Click on this button to open the PDF files of the presentation. Next, you will find a support button and a page translator. Once you activate your smart contract, you will be taken to your personal account. You will instantly receive your first income, community line refunds. This is to the total balance of your activation amount. For example, you have activated 50 Matic. 24 Matic on your total balance will be your instant income. You also get the community line income of the community redeposit line. This is 2% each of all income from the 6 IDs who activated immediately after you. Income from levels 2 by 2 to level 4 deep from the activation of 30 IDs according to the table. Income from levels 2 through level 4 in depth to 10% of all the income of 30 IDs over and over again. And income 2.5% of all income of the above ID in levels 2 by 2. You get all of this income without any additional terms. All you have to do is activate the smart contract. Remember, Tap Money Community Matic is not the way to do it. Of enrichment. It is a system of permanent income. Your daily check is not limited in any way. You can get 100 Matic, 1000 Matic or more on a daily basis. You just fulfill the conditions of the system and your income expands. Activation of automatic withdrawal is the only mandatory condition for all members. By fulfilling the simple conditions of the system, you expand your daily check many times over. And in the leader pool, you are guaranteed to receive Matics every 10 days. We can't go into detail about how the smart contract works in a 3-minute video, but it's important to us that everyone understands the details. When people understand how it works, it's easier for them to make the right decision. So open it up, close the PDF of the presentation, and get your marketing plan sorted out as soon as possible. Also invite you and yours to our introductions where we talk about the system in detail and answer questions. Or watch the full presentation in the recording. Links will be in the description below the video. You should also know that Tap Money Community Matic decentralized financial system is not a project or a company. It's not an investment. There's no daily interest. It is impossible to stop the smart contract, change the terms, or in any other way influence its work. The system works the way it was designed to work. Some technical solutions have made the Tap Money Community Matic system very attractive. Money comes out of 3 out of 3. First, it is 100% of each contract activation when a new ID joins the system. Second, 50% of all earnings of all participants when automatic withdrawals are made. And the third, 50% of the lead pool goes to marketing every 10 days. Upon activation, you'll also find a cabinet overview video that shows you what each block shows, what's in the menu tab, and what you need to do to quickly increase your daily check. Right now, open the PDF presentations, understand the details, take the referral link from the sponsor, and activate the smart contract as soon as possible to test it out. Good luck.